Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Alecia's kitchen. So in today's video I'll be making this Cajun and garlic butter lobster tail. Now let's do this. Okay guys, so here I have my two lobster tail, but first I'm going to cut the swimmerets. Those things, I think those are what hold the eggs, the lobster eggs. Yeah, I'm not sure, but yeah, they're called swimmerets. So I'm just gonna cut those off because I just don't need it there. So guys, using a kitchen shear, I'm going to cut down the center of the lobster tail all the way down to the end, and I'm going to use my hands to gently pull apart the shell from the meat. And using my fingers, I'm going to pull the meat up from the bottom of the shell without removing it entirely. And guys, the meat should remain attached to the end portion of the tail by the fins. And voila, you guys have just butterfly your lobster tail. So now guys, I'm just going to repeat the same step with the second lobster tail. Okay guys, so in that small bowl I have a combination of melted butter, garlic powder, oregano, Cajun season, and black pepper, and I'm just drizzling that all over my lobster tail, just making sure that it is well basted. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to please turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. Now guys, I will be baking it in a preheated oven at a temperature at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. And there you have it guys, the perfect Cajun and garlic butter lobster tail. I do hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Like, comment, share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.